And proceed towards the century here. That's truly Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin here at Anchorage in Alaska. Puffin number, magnesium, calcium. Okay, let's just write that down. Puffin number. MgCa. Empirical. Or rather Puffin. Not Puffin, but Puffin. Take a seat on this thing, you know. So we are at 78. TUV A78 79 is WX Y. Z This is V3I now. A81, A82, A83, A84, A85, A86, A87, A88, A V123. A811, A812, A813, A814, A815, A816, A817, A818, D, V123, 82, A82.1, A82.2, A82.3, A82.4, A82.5, A82.6, A82.7, A82.8, and that's a G now, V123. A80, 82, 84, 84, 3, 84, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a J. V1, 2, 3, and 85, and N, V, 1, 2, 3, A85, 1, A85, 2, A85, 3, A85, 4, A85, 5, A85, 6, A85, 7, A85, 8. This is an M, V1, 2, 3, O, P, Q. It don't seem as if our paper is going to make the century here. I'm going to use some very fine writing here. O, P, Q, V1, 2, 3, V1, 2, 3, V1, 2, 3, A86, 1. A86, 2, A86, 3, A86, 4, A86, 5, A86, 6, A86, 7, A86, 8, and that's a P, V1, 2, 3. And so here we reach another marker, 87, which is my PA score, private pilot airplane. So I always remember these markers. 87, that's my personal pilot airplane marker score. So PQ, OPQ, R, S, T, A87 1, A87 2, A87 3, A87 4, A87 5, A87 6, A87 7, and A87 8. And this is an S, V1, 2, 3. And so 88, U, V, W. Let's see if we could get more comfortable rest here. And I'm going to use a pen to make the century here, so as to squeeze in the rows and column in more finer details. So let's see if we could obtain a pen instead of having a marker. We have a pen. We have no pen tangible at the moment here. And to our surprise, there is no pen tangible at the moment. So we'll just have to continue with the marker. to 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Squeeze in the 100 there. So we have to do some fine writings now. So we have A88-1, A88-2, A88-2, A88-4, A88-5, 6, 7, V, 1, 2, 3, X, Y, Z, A89-1, A89-2, A89-3, A89-4, A89-5, A89-6, A89-7, A89-8, A-I-X, B-I-X, C-I-X, A91, A92, A93, A94, A95, A96, A97, A98, VIX, DEF, and we're going to put in bracket here IX for all of them, and A91-1, A91-2, A91-3, A91-4, A91-5, A91-6, A91-7, A91-8, and EIX. See if we have any intrinsic marker matrix here. We have our PA, private pilot airplane scored here. 92, that famous element uranium, BFG, H, I. All of this with the IX in the bracket here. And A92-1, A92-2, A92-3, A92-4, A92-5, A92-6, A92-7, A92-8, HIX. So we have from 93 JKL on this is the IX. And 4 will be and O. And for plutonium, here we have one, this would be IX. Let's put it to the bracket. And IX. 95 americium. And 6 would be curium. And to 7 berkelium. $98 AX, which is 10. This is the IX here. $98. This will be V IX. 99 Einsteinium. Let's put this in the bracket here for X. And 100 G bracket X, all of them, let's do the X there, and that's the century. A101, A102, A103, A104, A105, A106, A107, A108. When 99 was missing here, Einsteinium. 98 is California. 99 is Einsteinium. A99-1, A99-2, A99-2, A99-4, A99-5, A99-6, A99-7, A99-8. So we have squeezed in a sort of a saturated century here by making the elements quite small, and in so doing we have accomplished a multi-field array here, multi-dimensional application, multi-field, in which we have our science, chemistry being highlighted. We have in the minor background, sports, but when it comes on to the monetary part, we have to bring them forward. They have a lot of money there to contribute. We have the science. One other thing that we have not gotten through to because of another paper, but I promise we'll reach there, is the PSALM in the R. So we have stream, which we have R for religion, and real estate. And R, we have a Psalms here, PSALM, religion, the physics of subatomic light and matter. So we have some quantum sort of effect there in the Psalms and sound. And we're going to bring it forward, and as we know in the Bible, we have about 150 of those. So in essence, we'll have 144 plus 6. And that will be some indicative of 144. If we take one sum for each 144 mastermind, that is just like a symbol there. Not to say that this is the way it's going to be, but we have 144, 150 Psalms, and 144 plus 6. And so we will try to reach that marker at another time, in another place. The Psalms in the stream, S-T-R-E-A-M, where the R is highlighted here. And then we'll have here the ineffable name, in which we're going to close off here as we highlight that. So as you could see, it's really multidimensional and multi-field. And so we have up to 100 here, very finely marked. And at another time, we have a marker for 144 plus 6 in the physics of subatomic. P physics, S subatomic, SA, L light, M matter, and if you want to say Psalms, plural, then S would be sound. And so we could just carry it over here as the ineffable name would play a part in that 144,000 marker there, in which we have that. So it's multidimensional, multi-field, and multi-science. Or science is the singular because science includes chemistry, physics, mathematics, and the sort of in-between social science, geography, geology, and you have medicine, music, maths. So it's a lot of fields there, and that's why it's called multi-field and multi-dimensional. So there we are. We're finishing off with the ineffable name, and we have completed our century over here. And that would wrap up our presentation here at the Puffin Inn at Anchorage in Alaska.